Digital multimeter is widely used in testing various electronic instruments. This tool is useful for measuring resistance, current and voltage in any troubleshooting circuits. In this video we're checking out the top 5 best digital multimeter kit for you right now available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, INNOVA 3320 Auto Ranging Digital Multimeter. INNOVA 3320 is a well-known kit for electricians or home mechanics who can diagnose the car batteries or wiring. INNOVA company has been designing multimeters for automation industry over the years. Of all the multimeters, 3320 model is the best digital meter for home and is the reason for listing in the top. This brilliant kit comes with an inductive clamp and temperature measuring probe so as to check the engine's condition. To display the measured values, R, V, I, it uses color-coded LEDs and features the high-end LED display. The brightness of the LEDs intimates you about the battery life of the device. It can even measure resistance to a range of 10 megaohms. An instruction manual offers guidance to the users with simple instructions in English and French languages. At number 4, Etekcity MSRR 500 Digital Multimeters. This practical toolkit is a good choice for beginners, engineers, and electricians. With this multimeter, you can also test the working of diode and transistor. It is a small-size portable device for measuring the parameters like resistance, voltage, current and used to assemble, repair and diagnose the circuits. Data hold function keeps measurements on the large display while you record them. Open up the support stand to prop up the MSRR 500 and make reading measurements easier. The rubber sleeve ensures that the multimeter is always protected from wear and tear while on the job. 2 built-in ceramic fuse tubes make the multimeter secure and reliable. Overload protection is active on all ranges. At number 3, Thsinde Auto Ranging Digital Multimeter. Cinde is a small yet reliable seller of electronic components. The brand is known for developing electronic measurement tools that are versatile and show accurate readings. Using this digital multimeter, you can measure 10 different parameters including AC/DC voltage and current, frequency, resistance, diode and continuity NCV test, with a high precision. The multimeter features 6,000 counts and can detect parameters on a wide range. Once the voltage crosses 700 volts, RMS, the multimeter will display a light and emit a sound so that you disconnect it. The digital multimeter has a large backlit LCD display. So, even if it is dark, you will clearly be able to see the readings without straining your eyes. On top of this, it shows 3 times readings per second more than other multimeters. Along with the multimeter, you get a 9 volts battery, user manual in English, 2 alligator clips, and 2 test leads. At number 2, Neiko 40508-830B Digital Multimeter. Neiko Digital Multimeter is a portable, general-purpose multimeter to test wires, batteries, fuses and other electrical components. It is a very safe tool for repairing domestic and automotive settings. An LCD screen accurately displays current, voltage and resistance. Black and red test leads help to observe the performance of diodes, fuses, transistors, and wires. A safe and accurate voltage and current tester for troubleshooting electrical problems in automotive and household settings. Check for battery quality, automotive circuits, and charging systems. Includes large, easy-to-read LCD screen that measures 3-1/2 digits and accurately measures resistance, current and voltage with maximum reading up to 1999. Red and black leads to test electrical system components including diodes, transistors, wires, fuses, and battery testing on electrical equipment. Finally at number 1, Fluke -116 323 kit. Fluke 116 is one of the best and highly specialized multimeters that are widely used at the moment. It features the temperature probe, flame sensors and microampere measurement tools for heating, ventilation and air conditioning, HVAC, factors. It has everything that can be used to measure the parameters like voltage, current, and resistance. Size of the Fluke multimeter kit is small but delivers high output performance. The Fluke 116 was specifically designed for the HVAC professional. Measure voltage, resistance, continuity, frequency, and capacitance all in one tool. Going beyond your standard multimeter functions, the Fluke 116 also measures temperature and microamps specifically for HVAC applications. The Fluke 323 features true RMS AC voltage and current for accurate measurements on nonlinear signals. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.